Hello guys, welcome to SOP Academy. So in this video, we are looking at two companies which are hiring the 2022 batch for full-time offer as well as internship opportunity. So let us start. The first company is Goldman Sachs and the second company is Microsoft. So first we shall start with Goldman Sachs. So it is an engineering campus hiring program. What are the eligibility criteria? Let me tell you. The program is open to all engineering graduates in India across pre-final and final year graduation and post-graduation. That is 2022 batch, which has a full-time opportunity for the analyst position, and the 2023 batch has a summer internship opportunity. So there are two opportunities. First one analyst and second one is summer internship. What is the hiring process? So first the registrations will close on August 15th at 11:59 p.m. So today is 13th of August. You can apply till 15th of August till 11:59 p.m. The assessments, there are two assessments. The first one is aptitude test, which will be held on 22nd of August, and it will be followed by a technical test, which will be in the first week of October. So only for those shortlisted candidates who pass the aptitude test. So there will be two rounds, and after that there will be an interview in the third week of October, and only for those candidates who pass the aptitude as well as technical test. So this is the hiring process. So one thing they have mentioned, that in the event that Goldman Sachs visits your campus for internship and full-time opportunity, you are advised to apply directly through your respective campus placement. So this application is only for the people outside, that is off campus. So but if the company directly hires through your campus, then you can apply through your campus placements. So there are two registration buttons. The first one is for the summer internship 2023, and the second one is for the new analyst, that is 2022 batch. So apply to the respective post as applicable for you. So the second company is Microsoft, which is hiring for the role of support engineer intern. They are hiring 2022 batch. Let me tell you the qualifications, the eligibility: BE Tech in CS, IT or EC branch, and the graduation batch of 2022 are eligible. There must be no pending backlogs, and you must have at least 8 CGPA, fluent in verbal and written English, strong interest in Microsoft technologies such as .NET and Azure, and deep understanding of markets, customers, and related technology. So these are your eligibility criteria or qualifications. What will be your responsibility? So your responsibility will be to represent Microsoft and communicate with enterprise customers to find solutions for technical complex problems. The second one is solve highly complex problems. Third one is responsible for efficiently managing the relationship with these customers, collaborate on cross team and cross product technical issues, participate in case triage meetings to share knowledge with other engineers, consistently share best practices with team members. So these are some of your responsibilities. The apply button is on the bottom of the screen. You have to simply click on this and fill the form whichever appears in front of you. So I hope you understand each and every point. So there is the job ID is also mentioned here. So this can help for the referral purposes. So if you have any person that already works in Microsoft and you give them their job ID, so they can refer you. So I hope you understand each and every point. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next one.